Sit comfortably on your yoga mat. Imagine you are sitting in a peaceful garden with a lovely pond filled with blossoming lotuses. Each lotus is waiting to bloom fully. Now, stretch both legs out completely straight in front of you. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Now, gently bend one leg and lift it up like a tiny baby in your arms. Hold it gently close to your chest and rock it like a baby, with knee going out, coming in. Along with these beautiful words, rock-a-bye baby on treetop. When wind blows, the cradle rocks. When the bow breaks, the cradle falls. But baby is safe in my arms after all. Place the baby in the half lotus now. That is, place your foot on the opposite thigh. Now feel like a calming lotus floating on water. Now let's take the twin baby. Now stretch the other leg out, bend it gently and lift it like your second baby. Hold and rock it lovingly while saying this again. Rock-a-bye baby, safe and warm, held in your lap, away from the storm. Sway little lotus, open so wide, blooming with peace and love inside. Now gently place the second foot on top of the opposite thigh. You are now in Purna Padmasana, the fully bloomed lotus. Sit peacefully with the right palm placed on top of the left palm in your lap. Close your eyes and feel the heart open like a flower touching the sun, thinking, I am calm, I am pure, I am blossoming in peace.